So today at Phil's house, we're installing a speedometer on this thing. See how it goes. So on the speedometer kit, it comes with connectors, but doesn't come with the pins that go in the connectors. So I got this really poor quality switch I got off eBay. It's got the right kind of connector unit on it, so we're just gonna use this off of here. So I don't have any intention of using this switch unless I absolutely have to, and even then it'll probably just be for contacts. So cannibalize what decent stuff we have off this thing. So the fun part about this situation is going to be, we have all these various sort of wires. We have all these various sort of wires, my new male side. And then we have all these various sort of wires. Got a diagram here, shows where everything's supposed to go. What wire color on the gauge cluster is supposed to correspond with what each wire does. So now I need to cross-reference one at a time. Say star number 1 on here is going to be our blue and white wire for a fuel gauge. So I need to see which one of these corresponds to fuel gauge, and then think about it backwards and make that correspond with whatever wire color it's going to be on this guy. So this is blue and white here. We're going to wind up being a orange, I believe, time that plugs in. And now we just need to find where our fuel gauge wire is and then go from there, basically one at a time. So fun stuff. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay. Right turn signal. Left turn signal. Brights. Neutral. So far so good. Do we have a tech? Yep. Sure do. So basically what we're doing here is making a path where we're going to have 2 magnets attached to, more than likely, my brake bolts, and then as magnet passes by sensor here, that'll pick up the magnetic force as it passes by and tell the sensor how often that is pulsing, and that will create our wheel speed for the speedometer. So we got everything mounted up. I got my 2 magnets roughly 180 degrees apart from each other, and then my Hall effect sensor is supposed to be at the most 3 millimeters apart from the magnet. So got that all set in, and now we will see what we got with this. I like it. Everything works. Got tax, speedo, and all the important things you need to be legal. So it takes a little bit of calibration on a speedometer, just because you have to kind of guesstimate what your wheel size is in millimeters and then put that in your first entry. And then beyond that, I went ahead and ran 5 magnets on it, 1 for each wheel bolt. With 2, the speedometer was kind of spazzy, so I ran 5 instead, and it's working pretty well. Aside from that, after a couple days, my first Hall effect sensor went out, so I had to just find a random placement on Amazon and put that in. But aside from that, so far so good. So appreciate y'all watching. See y'all next time at Phil's house.